The Netherlands is a small country but with so much to see. So here are some of the places that you can visit. Zaanse Schans has historic model windmills. It exhibits on chocolate making and wooden clock carving. Not forgetting about the museums. There's so many different types of museums. Just to name a few, Van Gogh Museum, which is famous for Netherlands painters. There's the Rijk Museum, Amsterdam, which displays Dutch art and history. Science Center Nemo is for learning how our brain works and how to purify water. National Maritime Museum, see collection of ships, models, paintings and maps, and learn maritime history of the Netherlands. Then you got the Eftleing, a fantasy-themed museum park, which is the oldest theme park in the world. It has attraction which reflects from ancient myths, legends, fairy tale forest, playgrounds and much more. The capital city, Amsterdam. You can go with your friends or your spouse or even alone and rent a boat. There is romantic boats, there is private boats which have a private tour, there is public boats, and just see the city from the water and watch the sunset. The Edam is known for cheese. In the 16th, 19th century, Edam was where farmers brought their cheese to be weighed, sold and exported all over the world in the Middle Ages. It's also very famous for its red, round cheese, and you can also learn how the cheese is being made and processed and demonstrated. Not forgetting the Madurodam. Madurodam is where you see the whole of Netherlands in a mini version, from top destination, windmills, main landmarks, historic city, bridges, and much more. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.